Lion. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native Africa. Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white scale coat. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Sheep. Sheep or domesticated sheep are domesticated. Goat. The goat is a member of the animal family Bovidae and the tribe Caprini. Cow. Cows is very friendly animal. Horse. The horse is a domesticated. Foxes. Most fox species are known to be friendly. Deer. Deer or true deer are hoofed ruminant mammals. Wolf. The wolf, also known as the grey wolf or grey wolf. Bull. Bull is an intact adult male of the species Bos taurus. Leopard. The leopard cat is a small wild cat native Africa. Monkey. Monkeys are generally considered to be intelligent. Rabbit. Rabbits are small mammals in the family Leopardidae. Pig. The pig, often called swine. Dolphin. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae. Dog. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Bull. Bull is an intact adult male of the species Bos taurus. Polar bear. Polar bear is the hypercarnivorous species of bear. Hen. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species. Donkey. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae. Panda. The G panda is a bear species endemic to China. Gorilla. Gorillas are herbivorous. Alligator. Alligator of the family Alligatoridae.